Hey, welcome to another episode of Geek Money Life. And so these past few years have been pretty crazy. And here recently, things have gotten even crazier with the absolute meltdown of the crypto markets, and even traditional stock investing has taken a huge nosedive. While at the same time, the cost of living has been going up, up, up. And so with all of that being said, is it even a good time to invest? And if you are thinking about investing, what should you invest in? Well, my answer here is going to be pretty simple, and it's practically going to be the same answer regardless of what's going on in the economy. And so the best investment here is skills and experiences. Investing in new skills and experiences is practically the best use of your time and money, because this is something that has tangible benefits not only for today, but for tomorrow, years, and practically a lifetime to come. And even though this isn't something that's 100% guaranteed, because you could be investing in the wrong skills and experience, you could always adapt and change things. And moreover, there's so many benefits in doing this. And so the first and most obvious benefit of learning new skills and experience is that you have the potential to make more money and improve your financial situation. This by far is the main reason why I say this is the best investment, because as you probably know, whenever you learn new skills and experience, especially those things that are valuable in the marketplace, you're typically going to make more money, and you're also going to make more money for a long term and not just a short amount of time. And as things change, which they will inevitably, you could always improve the new skills and experiences that you have. So that is the first thing. You could make more money with new skills and experiences, and for many people, this is the most important reason. And another big benefit of learning new skills and experiences is that it gives you more options. Just think of when you only had a few skills and experience and how that really narrowed what you're able to do. But whenever you have more skills and experiences, your breadth of options is a lot wider, and so that means you're able to be more flexible in pursuing the type of work that you want to do, so then you don't feel like tied down to a certain type of work because of the skills and experiences involved there. And at least for me, this is something that I really truly appreciate, because by having a wide set of skills and experience, most of which are valuable to the market, I'm able to quickly move around, whether that's a different job, a different business, different side hustles, whatever the case might be. I have a wider breadth of skills and experience that I could actually pull from whenever I need it. And so the final pro of this investment strategy is that you're investing in yourself. And this is, in my opinion, the best investment that you can make in your life, because not only do you improve your life and the people around you, but you're also able to help other people around the world by sharing your skills, experience, and knowledge, just as I'm doing right here. And so those are my thoughts on the best investment that you can make, regardless of what's going on in the economy. And it's one that's so easy to do nowadays, especially with the internet or even the good old-fashioned books. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments here below. And if you did want to see more of my money videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Set up your business easily and legally with incredibly affordable rates at Incfile. Join more than 500,000 businesses and launch your business today. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below.